Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Today we'll make a garlic parsley turkey. And I'm going to show you how to take the excess juice and make a nice gravy. So let's get started. First, we're going to need a 10 to 12 pound turkey. Please ensure you wash the turkey before you get started. Now we're going to make the rub. You're going to need 1 cup of butter, 2 tablespoons of pepper, 2 tablespoons of salt, and you're going to need fresh parsley, about 4 tablespoons of parsley. Next, we're going to need 2 tablespoons of garlic. Get that right in the bowl. Next, for some zest, we're going to add a lemon. Just get some of that lemon skin in there. And now we're just going to mix this all up, mix all the ingredients all together. This will actually be our rub for the turkey. Now what you see I'm doing here is I'm just loosening up the skin inside the turkey. And just try to be careful not to rip the skin, because we want it to hold in that butter and all the turkey juices. Because you want a nice, you don't want a dry turkey, you want it kind of moist. You know what I mean? So I'm going to put about 1 to 2 scoops on each side. I think I'm putting 2 scoops on this side. Yeah, 2 scoops. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold down the front of the skin of the turkey, and I'm going to push that butter to the back of the turkey. See? I'm just pushing it back. Just trust me, everyone loves butter, and this is going to be delicious. Next, what we're going to do is, this is kind of the messy part. I'll try to do a clean way, but there's no way around it. You're going to have to get your hands dirty. That's what I'm saying. So you're going to take this rub and just massage it into this turkey. Rub it all over. Get the legs, get the back. Don't put too much pressure. Do not rip the skin. Looks pretty good. And one thing you don't want to forget is make sure you get some of that butter, and make sure you don't forget the legs, and make sure you put some on the inside of the turkey, as I'm doing right here. What this is going to do is it's going to keep all the flavor inside the turkey, and it's going to keep it golden brown. But there we go. Yeah, it's all done. I don't know how to explain it, but you know what I mean. So you're going to need 2 lemons. You're going to need 2 onions. You're going to place these inside the turkey. It's going to give it, it's going to hold some moisture inside the turkey. I didn't have a big aluminum pan, so I just cut the corners and I put it inside another pan. Makes clean up a little easier. So now I'm adding some celery and carrots. And this is going to add more, liquid and flavor to the gravy once we're done cooking the turkey. Place the turkey on top. And now we're going to take those, what we diced up, the lemons and the onions, and we're going to place it inside the turkey. Just like so. And also, before we forget, I couldn't find any fresh bay leaves, so you're going to need bay leaves, right? About 6 bay leaves. I'm using dry bay leaves, and just place that inside turkey. Next, I'm going to tie the legs together, and I guess this is going to help hold the moisture inside the turkey so it's juicy, not dry. No one likes a dry turkey. So I tie this together, just like so. And I'm adding some rosemary. It's just going to add more flavor to the gravy. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to place this in the oven for 10 minutes on 350. Take it out the oven. It's been 10 minutes. Now I'm just going to brush olive oil all over the turkey. And this is going to kind of protect the skin from burning. This is ready. It's starting to look pretty good. And the secret ingredient we're going to use is bacon. We're going to wrap this sucker in bacon. You can never have too much bacon, so I'm using 2 packs of bacon. And once the turkey is covered in bacon, you're good to go. But also, we're going to use this bacon later to help make the gravy. But this bacon is also going to protect the turkey from burning. Look at that. Now we're going to place this back in the oven for about 2 hours on 375, and kind of keep basting that butter on top every 30 minutes. Now it's been 2 hours, and look at this turkey. I'm going to dump this excess juice into the bowl to use later for the gravy. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to peel off all this bacon. try to resist from eating all the bacon as you take it off. You can eat some, but the goal of this bacon is to make the gravy. Wow, that looks pretty amazing. So I'm gonna take out the lemons, take out the onions, and now we're gonna make the gravy. You're gonna need 2 tomatoes. You're gonna dice up those 2 onions that was inside the turkey. You're gonna dice up the bacon, just like so. Looks amazing. You know all that extra stuff in the turkey you don't want, like this piece right here, the top of the wing. We're gonna add in. It's gonna add more flavor. So we're gonna add that to the pan. You can cut other pieces off and add it to the pan. Now I'm just adding the tomatoes to the pan. And just spreading it out. I'm dumping up all the juice from the pan. Next I'm gonna add the onion. Wow, look at that. Now I'm gonna add the lemon. Next, we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of flour, which is kind of gonna thicken this gravy. Now we're gonna add the bacon, stir it all together, cook this for about a minute. Then you're gonna add in 1 cup of chicken broth. Next, we're gonna add in the rosemary, and we're gonna cook this into, 5 to 10 minutes. Not too high, medium, high heat. Just make sure until it thickens. And once it's kind of thick, you know it's done. It smells pretty amazing. So now I'm gonna strain all this juice into a bowl. I made a mistake by grabbing a tiny bowl. Don't do that next time. Grab a large bowl so you don't make a mess like I'm doing. Next, I'm gonna mash the veggies and get all the extra juices into the bowl. There you have it. This looks a lot better than what it looks like, but next time you use a larger bowl. Now I'm gonna cut the turkey because I'm so hungry. Look at that, everyone. Nice and juicy. You see that? Perfect. I surprised myself, you know? Anyways, have a great night. Please subscribe and happy Thanksgiving. Goodbye.